Seneta we kaunti ya Nyamira Okongo Mogeni ni garu kubolia gochia sebya mahegeme yense kwene kibuna kubwati baliri chiko anena sokuru bosibole wake demokrasia asabara ibe byama heligwekirani hobokari wabo anena sichi committee chebunge ye senate okwana samanga chi ebunge ye senate marogoba yalero omo senator Mogeni iga terune byame bye binge ni go byarekanire kuba kaisiko abarai bali bakorekana kugenda mamincha na maganio ye byama.
Madam Speaker, the Constitution says that political parties, Article 91F, 1F, political parties must respect human rights and fundamental freedoms. Is there in the Constitution? Madam Speaker, there should not be any punitive actions from a political party because anybody is trying to exercise his fundamental freedom. Our Constitution, in Article 124, decreed that Parliament will pass standing orders for the orderly discharge of the business of the House. Madam Speaker, pursuant to that power donated to Parliament by Constitution, we have enacted Standing Order 197. And Madam Speaker, let's be candid. Let's be candid. For the future generation, we are not opposing anybody who has been shifted from one committee to the other. But for the future, Madam Speaker, that standing order states that our business committee will do those changes after consulting the political parties. You know, Senator Jeruyot, when you were here in the last parliament, you were subjected to the same mistreatment.